Hey tech enthusiasts! We know the frustration of dealing with unreadable PDF files. Whether it's a crucial document or a cherished memory, losing access to a PDF can be a real pain. But don't worry, we've got a solution that's going to make your life a whole lot easier. Introducing Stellar PDF Repair, a powerful tool that can fix unreadable PDF files and recover all embedded media, including images, videos, and audio files. With Stellar PDF Repair, you can restore your PDFs to their original state, complete with all the multimedia content. Here's how it works. First, check if your system meets the minimum requirements for Stellar PDF Repair. Then, download and install Stellar PDF Repair from the link in the description box below. Once you've got it installed, launch the software and add the corrupted PDF file you want to repair. The software will then analyze the file and identify the issues. Next, click the Repair button, and Stellar PDF Repair will work its magic. Depending on the file size and the extent of the corruption, this process might take a few minutes, but trust us, it's worth the wait. Once the repair is complete, you'll see a preview of your fixed PDF. The relief of seeing your document restored will be immense. If everything looks good, you can save the repaired file to a safe location. It's essential to save it to a different folder to avoid overwriting the original corrupted file. Stellar PDF Repair is incredibly easy to use. Its user-friendly interface and support for a wide range of PDF formats make it a go-to solution for repairing unreadable PDFs. It can even repair PDFs that are partially damaged or won't open at all, giving you the confidence to tackle any PDF issue. Download Stellar PDF Repair today and start repairing your files. Click the link in the description box below to get started. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tech tutorials and solutions.